bubuwagin natin yung sistema. Tomorrow, pwede na natin announce, or tomorrow, the day after. Within the next 48 hours, I will already announce the powers that we are granting to the Independent Commission and the members. That's the job of the Independent Commission, which by the time we get back, before the end of the week, it will be organized.
Thank you.
And the personalities who are going to be part of the Independent Commission will also be named already. We will also decide on the powers. We already have a very good idea of what the powers and authorities will be granted to the Independent Commission. So that's their job. And we have made very sure that they are in fact independent. Italyado ang ating magiging investigasyon at para matignan. And yan ang magiging trabaho ngayon ng ating Independent Commission. Truly independent. So walang politiko dyan, walang puro investigador, abogado para mga it's a technical exercise. Paano tayo nagkaganto? How did we get to this terrible point where all of these actuations, ito yung mga kickback, lahat yung mga pinag-uusapan natin, naging institutionalized, naging normal. And that's what we are going to have to investigate, and we have to